Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. Today I promised that I would show you guys my Day of the Dead altar when I was finished. So I wanted to show it to you guys. It's kind of like you gotta piece it together. I have made a little miniatures, flowers, just plants to stick on there. This is a little vaso. It's just a cup, but I stuck leaves in there. I mean, I'm gonna put more stuff. It's just I made tamales. I made bananas, sugar skulls. You gotta have sugar skulls on your altar. And then the whole altar looks like this. This is the bottom, and the top is like that's the top, and this is the bottom. So I mean, you can put whatever you want, but like you see, you kind of like set it, table set it, and kind of like however you want to put it. Like you can just like do like this, or however you want it. And a lot of times like they'll use the orange flowers, which are marigolds, which I haven't really put on here. But like it's gonna stand, it stands on this. I'll show you. It stands like on this. So like you can like decorate the bottom. Like say you put it like this, and the bottom you can draw like a with marigolds and rose petals and flower petals, whatever petals you have. You can use carnations. You can decorate like with mums. That's what this was supposed to be. But like on the bottom, however you do it, you can design like a cross with the marigolds, or like make a little picture with flower petals and stuff. So I thought that would be really cute. So I included the bottom, but I haven't decorated it much. This is just what I have so far, and I wanted to show you guys. And I didn't want to leave you guys out of that. But yeah, it's kind of like the papel picado. And that's just a traditional skull. So like I said, it's pretty plain right now. I've been working on it. Like I let it dry. I let like the little miniatures dry, and they're still small. Kind of takes me a minute to get them, but I think this is pretty much what it's gonna generally look like. You can also buy little, like if you're doing a miniature one, you can buy dollhouse items and decorate it. There's one I think I was gonna order originally. It was like a kitchen, a full kitchen set for dollhouse stuff, of food, and that way you can just put it on there and then just put like whatever else. So I'm still thinking about it. It was only $8, but like I said, whatever you have, is fine. It's just kind of like the concept of doing it. Like, I think the act of, setting aside time, energy, memorializing, you know, just period. I think it's important for us to all process and grieve and kind of, allow for progress in our own, personal space. I think it's important. Embracing our heritage, right? Promoting our culture. I think that's what's really important. It doesn't matter how much money you have, what you buy, that you can afford to do it or not. You know, this paper cost me like $3, this paper. And I use recycled materials for a lot of this stuff. Like, these are stuffed with used cottons. Some of these are made with pieces of used cardboard. That's what this is. Recycled cardboard. So, I mean, it's just the act of doing this, not so much as showing off, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, for some people, it's a very religious thing. It's a process of grieving, mourning, I guess healing from a loss. And of course, you can probably print out miniature pictures and make miniature frames. That's what I was thinking of doing, making miniature frames. But I don't have a printer. So I was like, well, that's kind of useless. But I mean, I can make miniature frames and just like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna put in the background, but kind of a part of it. Candles and pictures of your loved ones. I think that's a mainstay, if anything. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys again on the next one. My son de Framp. Bye-bye.